This audio is prepared for educational purposes only and is not rendering any medical or psychological advice. In case experts' assistance and counseling is required, it is suggested to take the services of a competent professional. Additionally, before listening to this audio, please consult your doctor or healthcare professional if you suffer from serious medical or psychological issues. This is to ensure that it is appropriate for you to do this exercise, as the contents of this recording will guide and help you in experiencing a calmer state of body and mind, thereby releasing the trapped physical and emotional stress. Don't engage in any physical or mental activity while listening and doing this exercise. Sit in a relaxed and comfortable posture. You may prefer to sit on a chair with feet touching the ground and legs uncrossed. Or if you sit on floor, maintain lotus posture. Rest your palms on your knees. Keep your spine erect with neck and shoulders loose and relaxed. Make sure that your shoulder blades are gently flattened against your back. Place the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth, right behind your front teeth. This is done to prevent saliva from filling up the mouth and to minimize the micromuscle movement of tongue to control internal dialogues. Now, breathe in and exhale through your nose in the most natural and relaxed manner, while maintaining the posture acquired so far. If it is uncomfortable for you to exhale through your nose, then use your mouth. But in this case, avoid touching the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth. Keep swallowing your saliva if it becomes too much as you breathe in and out. Make a couple of relaxed breaths. Next, we will start balanced breathing exercise. In this exercise, mentally count 6 for approximately 6 seconds during each breathe in and breathe out. As you breathe in for 6 seconds, observe your breath going in from your nostril to chest area and diaphragm. And as you breathe out for next 6 seconds, observe your breath coming up from diaphragm to chest and going out from your nostril. Following this 6-second breathe in and breathe out cycles, keep inhaling and exhaling in a relaxed and natural way for a minimum of 5 minutes. It is better if you can sit longer. Try to practice it daily. Upon couple of practices, you will find that this practice is not limited to sitting in this manner. As your bodily awareness increases, you will automatically practice balanced breathing while standing, sitting, walking, or even laying down. For the purpose of ease and practice, in continuation with this recording, a 6-minute audio with a bell pacer at every 6 seconds will guide you to do the balanced breathing exercise.